Hey everybody, Lady Cheryl here, and I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be featuring more of what I'm doing. For example, I'm going to share with you how I'm helping to raise my 2 grandchildren that I live with. I'm going to share hydroponic gardening with you. I'm going to share with you some exciting traveling I'll be doing. Things I'm going to be doing to improve my health. I'm going to share my houseplant jungle in my bedroom. You guys know I'm going to be back out there doing my container gardening. It's the spring of the year. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I want you to look right there. Brian, you here? Yeah. Tell me what that is right there.
That's tomato.
Our very first cherry tomato. That's a Tiny Tim tomato. What do you think?
I love it. It was good.
Mom,
Okay.
what's going on?
Okay, Trey, come on in. Come here, let me show you my first tomato in my hydroponic system. Hey, everybody, this is my business manager, Trey Moss, right there. Come on, Trey. Come on. Come on. This is exciting. Look right there. Our first tomato. That's
Dear Mama, this is for you. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, everybody, Bria and I are in Brian's room.
Hello.
Where he has a keyboard, and she has never had any lessons, but she's taught herself how to play the piano, and particularly this song, Jingle Bells. You want to go?
It's not like the actual full Jingle Bells. I'm just doing it the way I like to do it.
Okay, do the best you can.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Merry Christmas.
One of our family traditions is to gather on Christmas Eve, and we exchange presents as well as make ornaments or cupcakes or decorate cookies. That usually would occur at my house, but over the last couple of years, we've been having it at my daughter Elisa's house. So my grand angels are making ornaments, and let's see what they come up with.
Girl, you put pick one.
Oh, she's trying to pick 2? Brian, what are you going to do with your ornament?
I'm building. Okay, who
You're going to build it, okay.
Girl, how many you got? You get to keep that one, that one, that one, that one. Then we'll save more.
What will the winner of the contest receive?
Bria.
Pick the first cookie.
They can pick the first cookie. How cheap.
All of them look the same. All of them look
Can come up with something better than that. At least a $5 cash prize, a gift card, something. You call yourself an educator? Okay, what you doing, Maddie? Hold your hand up, Maddie. Maddie, hold your hand up.
confusing.
What's confusing about it, Bria?
How am I supposed to take all of this
Oh,
onto
we
this?
forgot the glue.
Oh, no glue? And you call yourself an educator?
Brian, you call your daddy. So there's glue in the garage.
The king is here. The king is here. Hey, Andre. They are decorating the cookies, showing their artistic ability.
Bro, what is wrong with this?
What are you doing, Brian?
I'm doing a world thing. I'm just going to
Okay. What are you doing, Chewy?
I'll figure out later.
You figure it out later. What are you doing, Bria?
I'm gonna make a stocking, and I'm probably gonna do Santa Claus.
Okay. And whose is this one?
Yeah, I'm
Where my cookie is this one from? Oh, Maddie. Okay. I think that is the smallest poinsettia I've ever seen. It's absolutely beautiful.
Wish I was eating Little Caesar's pizza.
And my daughter's
I'm recording.
You can take my thing too and then go down.
Same time. Don't open it.
That's my
Open it.
gift from us.
Yeah, please.
This is from
That's
Greg.
That's a Maddie and Caitlin.
Maddie and Caitlin.
Candle.
Oh, a candle. Oh, it smells good. So this is from my business manager, my firstborn son. Isn't that nice? All right. I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye now.